Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the LXDE desktop of CachyOS. So I have installed the LXDE desktop with GPT style partitions, Systemd bootloader and the file to file system. Let us start and check out the desktop. So this is the Systemd boot. You have to check the first option. Okay, so this is the greater screen of LXDE desktop. You got a panel on the top. You got accessibility settings like on-screen keyboard, high contrast and the screen reader. You got the keyboard layout manager. You can change between the layouts and you can also access more layouts from here. You got the clock with the date and the power menu. And here you can see there are two sessions. One is the LXDE default session and the other is the open box session. So open box, we are going to treat it as a separate desktop and I will make a separate video on it. So right now we will just use the LXDE desktop only. Let us go with the LXDE desktop for today's video. Open box will come after 1 or 2 videos, I think. Yes, so this also scaling is not that good, but okay, better than what we got in the UK desktop that we checked earlier. And this is the welcome app or the CachyOS Hello. You can access documentation, support, project, readmes, release info, wikis, forums, software. You can get involved with the project. You can add it, help in the development. You can donate to the project. You can install app, do the system tweaks. From here you can change the language, you can specify whether to launch at start or not from here. Now first thing that we are going to do is let me go and open the this next quality settings. Resolution is auto, but I will go with this resolution. Let us try and check. Okay, you cannot turn off all monitors. Okay, let it keep on auto only. Okay, virtual one. Okay, so it is on auto. I cannot change it. Refresh rate is also auto. What if I do something else? Let us try. No. So what we will do is let us keep it on auto and forget the blanks at the left and right side. So this is the desktop. You got a panel at the bottom. This is the application menu. Then what is this? This is the PC man file manager. Very light file manager, but yet very efficient. The good speeds are there where you are transferring files, and it is good speed for searching the files also. Left click to iconify all windows, middle click to shade them. Okay, then you got, this is I think the workspace selection or the workspace manager. You got the network manager. This is the calendar, LXDE calendar. What is this? Okay, what is this? Okay, so these are the settings for the panel. So you can access the panel settings from here, and this is the power menu. Now you got only the trash can at the top. I don't like trash can at the top on my eye level. I keep it here, somewhere here. Then now let us check out the different accessories. So in accessories, you got file roller, calculator is there, micro text text editor. So here in micro, you edit text files in a terminal. This is the screenshot. This is the text editor. Let me check out the text editor. Which text editor it is? While it opens up, let us go ahead. In the development, you got mailed and micro. In graphics, you got the G picture view. In internet section, you got the SSH server browser, VNC server browser, and the cache browser is there. In multimedia, you got the cellular media player or video player, LX music, simple music player, MPV media player. So you got multiple media players. Then the video test utility, volume control. Let us check out the volume control. So it is still using pulse audio. Pipewire is not there by default. Okay. Then in system, you got the alacrity terminal. You got the VTOP. So what we will do is we will open the LX terminal and it will show us this. Yes, here you can change the size of the window. which was not possible in UKUI. So UKUI was a very rough desktop, not for the daily use. Here you can see the window manager theme is Oinks, cursor is Advaita, the window manager is open box. That's why you got an open box session. Desktop is LXDE, terminal is terminal, and the monospace font is used as a terminal font. 826 packages are there. So this is similar to UKUI desktop. Shell is fish shell, version 4.0.1 is being used. Local is India English. Okay. And here you can see the CachyOS Hello that we already seen. CachyOS Kernel Manager, CachyOS Package Installer, Fish, LX Terminal we have seen, Octopi, Octopi Cache Cleaner, Octopi Notifier, Octopi Repository Editor, PC-Man File Manager. You can see it here. This is the version of the PC-Man File Manager. It's very efficient. It might have some less features as compared to the big file managers like Nautilus or Nemo, but it is very fast and very efficient. The Schedule X GUI manager is there. I have already shown it once. I again show you again. So you can configure the Schedule extended or the Schedule extended scheduler. You can change the subtypes of this scheduler. You can change the scheduler profile, and you can set the scheduler flags also from here. So what I'm going to do a separate video on this, because to show you how these things work, I will have to install the CachyOS on my system. Without that, I will won't be able to show you the differences, perceptible differences when you change the different schedulers, because that requires a bare metal installation. We cannot show it on VM. VM, it won't be that easy to show on VDM the different differences. Now in Task Manager, let us check out. So the CPU usage is just 1 to 2%. Memory usage is 358 MB. Very light and very resource, can say resource friendly desktop, LXDE. These are only the applications or the processes running in the system. Okay. Now what is to be done? Okay, we have seen this. Now let us go over to the customized look and feel. Let us try this out. So here the different widgets are there. So I don't see any different widgets here. There are no options, only one is there. Here also you can see everything is blanked out. Only one icon theme is there, but you can install more. No mouse cursors except this. So totally you got around 8 mouse cursor themes. In fonts, you got the hinting style is enabled, anti-aliasing is enabled, and the subpixel geometry is RGB. And the GUI options. So in toolbar, you got the text besides the icon. Toolbar icon size is large toolbar icon, and these are the different options for the GUI. Okay, you can enable the accessibility. For example, you can enable the onboard screen keyboard inside the GTK Plus applications. You have to just click here and apply. Okay. Now anything else is there? The open box configuration manager. Yes. So if you want to change the themes, it will be done from here, not from that other application that is here. I will just show you again. Not from the desktop preferences, because the window manager is open box. So from open box you can change the themes. So right now Wings theme is there. You can go with the other themes. For example, Wings Citrus. Let us see if it is gets applied or not. Let me check. No. Let us open few applications. Open multimedia, celluloid. Okay, now we can check this. Citrus is not working. Orang. Yes, now you can see the top panel or the top strip on the window has changed. Yes, now it is working. Okay, system crash. Yes, it is working. So here you can see things are working. Alright, okay, active menu. Okay, let us check out the menu. It is not shown here, but it is working. Okay, so we will go with Natura. Yes, it is working. This one, yes, perfectly. Now it is working. Yes, it is working. So we will keep with the clear looks live, and then let us check out the appearance section. So here you can specify window, return a border when undecorated, animate, iconify and restore. These are the fonts. You can change the fonts from here. Button order, you can change the button order for the window titles. So buttons can be crisscross. You can have some buttons earlier, some buttons later, all these things. Then anything else is there? Yes, move and resize. You can move and resize windows, track threshold distance, amount of resistance against other windows, amount of resistance against. So these all things you can do it by yourself. Nothing, there is no issue. You can, if anything uh, does not work, you can go back to the older settings. You have to just take a screenshot of the default settings, keep it there, and keep it open in the picture viewer or a photo viewer, and from there you can try these settings out, and something goes wrong, you can consult the picture that is open where you have taken the screenshot of the default setting, and you can come back to the default setting. So it's a very good idea to take a screenshot of the default settings, and whenever you mess up the settings, you can go back to the default setting. If there is no option, GUI based option to come back to the default settings in the system. These are the mouse settings for focusing on the windows. Double click on the title bar maximizes the window. Let us try. Yes, it is working. Double click time 200 milliseconds. Then in desktops, how many desktops you want? So I think this is 2. You can go with 4. Okay, it is not here. Okay, let me add remove panel items. Let us see. Spacer, where it is, launch bar, geometry, panel applets, menu viewerless spacer. Okay, it is not shown right here right now. That you have to add. Okay, that's okay. Now in margins, you can set the top, bottom, left, right margins for the windows. And windows, new windows will not place it within a margin, and maximize windows will not cover them. Okay. And in the dock, so the dock is a special container of dock apps or the dock apps. It is not visible on screen until a dock app is run. Okay. So the dock is there for the top left side. Orientation is vertical. So here the dock will come up somewhere here, the top left. Keep dock above the other windows. Okay, so this is the dock settings. So that's it for the open box configuration manager. I will close it now. Now let us see if any tiling is possible. No, tiling is not possible. Yes, you can see. Okay, okay. Now let me see. Let me see function arrow buttons. No, one of the windows has gone to the other workspace. Let us try out this. No, this is only settings for the panel. Where is the, yes. Yes, now it has come up. Okay. Okay. Anything else is there? Where is the other workspace? Okay. So it takes little time. But this desktop is way more stable and workable for daily use as compared to the UK UI desktop that we checked out earlier. Anything else is pending? Let us check. What is this run? What is, okay. So you can run commands from here. Let us see how Alacrity works here. So this is the Alacrity terminal. Okay, you can see here the window manager theme has changed to clear looks live now. Okay, wallpapers. Let us see any wallpapers are. Okay, appearance. Yes. Now let us check out the wallpapers. This will look better with this clear looks live theme. Just let me. Okay. Yes. Now it looks everything is looks cohesive now, and also there is red theme. Yes. So I will stick to the green theme. It looks better here. And desktop icons, you can show the desktop icons here, connected volumes also, why it is not coming up. And in advanced, show menus provided by window managers when the desktop is clicked. Okay. So that's it for the LXDE desktop. Very simple but very stable desktop, and just very light usage, 350 MB around RAM usage is there. And if you want a very simple desktop which does not get in your way, very less maintenance required, then you can go with the LXDE desktop. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will check out the LSQT desktop. Bye bye.